Hi, and welcome to Little Luxuries with Lynn. I'm Lynn Marie. You'll have to excuse me. I have a chest cold, so my voice is a little weird. I'm just pushing through though. So today we are going to be unboxing one of my favorites, Decocrated. Now this is a quarterly home decor subscription. And let me see, I believe it's $79.99. You do get a price break at prepaying at 6 months or a year. This, however, is a add-on. This add-on, I believe, was $59.99, and they do several of these through the year. So we just got our fall one about 2 weeks ago, and now this is the Halloween one. So let's get into it. So as I open it up, it says, oh, how exciting. Yeah, I'm looking forward to some new Halloween decor. Right on top is the nice envelope, and it has the book that talks all about all the things in here in the box, and then shows how to style it. These I hang on to, and I reference them periodically when I do redecorating. And then here is the piece of artwork. Isn't that awesome? I dig it. And then they're reversible. I love the cat. That's probably the one I'll display first, is the cat. Trick or treat. So I put that on I'll actually insert a photo of how I display mine. All right, so I'm just anxious to get inside here. Okay, there goes the tissue paper. And here's the first item. Any guesses? My guess is a pillowcase. Let me see where we open up, and let's see what it looks like. I really haven't done any peeking online or any spoilers, so I don't know what's all inside of the box. So here is the pillowcase. I love it. And then on the opposite side is orange. So, but it's a rusty orange, it's not a bright orange. So it'll go with a lot of my other decor. Let's see if they say, they basically send you one of two pillowcase covers, a square one or one like this. So it's nice, you just gotta hang on to your feather inserts, and then you can change them up for the season. All right, let's get rid of some of the packaging. All right, I had to get my knife. I didn't have it with me. And I want to be able to open all these up without killing my fingernails. Okay. Let's see, I'm very excited. Quite often I check out the spoilers, and this one I didn't. So I have no idea what I'm opening up. Oh, this is cute. Excuse me. Look at that. It's a cat with a little dish. But you can put some candy corn in there, or even just any kind of pumpkins, little decor. And you can set it next to the cat. Cute, or even this way would be cute. Okay, the next item. Okay, and unfortunately I'm gonna have to cut each of these open, but it shouldn't take me too long to get through them. All right. Have to be careful, I'm not quite sure what I'm pulling and pushing. Oh, huh. Look at that. You're seeing it before me. How cool. Enter if you dare. You could put this anywhere. You could hang it on your front door. You could put it right in your entryway even. And it's like a metal sign painted, and I'll show you the back. And then here is your sawtooth hanger, and it's on a wood frame. I love this piece. We're off to a great start. Okay, 2 more pieces. Wonder if it's another sign. It's in the exact same size box. Nope. Well, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. I have boxes all around at my feet. Oh, is this cute? I love this. I got to see it before you. Look at that. Isn't that wonderful? And they go together so well. You wouldn't have to, but this is beautiful. And then it has the hanger right on the back, ready for you to put anywhere throughout your home. Okay, one last piece. I'm excited to see what else. I can't believe I didn't peek on any of this. Okay. Huh. Oh, okay. This is cute. Look at this little house. Let's see. Yeah, you can see that. And there's 2 different sides to it. And then I'm not sure if you can see, looks like bats or birds, but I think bats. On the roof, you could put a candle underneath here and light this up. Super cute. I love how everything goes together, but it's not matchy-matchy. I love these items. Wow. I will insert some photos to show you how I styled all of these items. I love them. Excuse me for my voice, sorry. This was Decocrated Halloween. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. Have a great day. Bye-bye.